So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here, and I am back here with another video of Python series. In this lecture we'll learn how to typecast our input information. First of all, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started with today's video. First of all, I have created a new Python file. So in our previous lecture, we have seen how we can take input from user. As we know, these inputs are converted to string. I can show you a simple example of this. Suppose we have a number variable of consisting 5, and num2 consisting 6, and answer variable is answer variable a plus num plus num2. And if we print answer and run this, we can see we have 11 here. 5 plus 6 is 11, but if we take input here from user, we use input function, and here input function. Now if we run this, it says us to give a input number. We say 5 and 5. The answer must be 10, but let's see what is happened. It says 55. So what's happening here, the input function is converting our integer to string, and the answer is adding string plus string, 5 plus 5, like we have seen in our previous videos that we can concatenate strings together. That means we can add two strings together. That will give us a string output. So this is a string output. So what can we do here? We can simply say our integer input is integer. So we can say integer we can say integer. Now if we run this, we have to give 5. We are having 10 here. So what is doing? So it's converting the input string to integer, and then adding this to integer, we are having the answer 10 here. So if we do another trial, if we say 9 and 10, so you can say 19. So this is how we can transform our input string to an integer. We also can transform this into many other different types, like floating point numbers. So suppose if we run this and we write we have to write 5.6 plus so we are having an error because this is input, so valid input will be base 10, not 5.6, because it's not base 10, it's a floating point number. So here we need to type float. So again here we need to type float. So if we run this now, and if we give 5.5 and 6.5, we'll have a 12.0, because 5.5 plus 6.5 is 12. So we are having 12.0 because the answer is converted to string again. So we can simply do this kind of typecasting from our user input and use this in our project. I hope you understand how we can use typecasting in our project. So this was for today's video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.